Guys, in this video, we will be learning what is hybrid inheritance in Python. Let's recall what is inheritance. The process of inheriting the properties of the parent class into a child class is called inheritance. Now, what is hybrid inheritance? When inheritance is consists of multiple types or a combination of different inheritance is called hybrid inheritance. Okay, combination of different inheritance. Okay, combination of different inheritance means what we have implemented so far, such as multiple inheritance, hierarchical inheritance. I have created a new Python program. Okay, if you see, so this is the previous program. This is a form of hierarchical inheritance wherein we implemented a vehicle class into other child class. Okay, here we have to add other form of inheritance which we have done in previous video. Okay, so let's create a multiple inheritance form inside this form. So what multiple inheritance is? One child class and multiple parent class. So what we are going to do, we have to create another parent class which will be inherited into other child class. Okay, so what we can do, we can create another parent class, that is class vehicle dots, we can say number of dots. Very simple method we are going to implement. Get vehicle dots details, just copy the message vehicle dots, this is number of dots. Right, now what is the next step? This is a separate parent class. While producing the car, we are going to inherit this vehicle door class into the car child class. Okay, so what it will do, it will complete the form of multiple inheritance. Right, multiple parent classes, one child class. So this is a child class car and it is inheriting two parent classes, multiple parent classes, that is one vehicle, second is vehicle doors. Okay, in the car object, the bottom we can call c1 dot get vehicle door details. You see, this was the method which we implemented into the vehicle door parent class. Okay, this is the one. Right, so it will complete our another form of inheritance into the same program. Okay, let's run the program. If you see, so vehicle dots are 2 in the car class. Okay, because this vehicle dots parent class is inherited into the car class only, not in the bus. Now we have achieved two inheritance form in this program. One hierarchical inheritance, second is multiple. Okay, now we have to achieve another form of inheritance into the same program just to complete our hybrid inheritance form. Okay, chain of classes is called multi-level inheritance. Chain means there is a one vehicle class, then we have car class, and then we had BMW car. You remember, in multi-level inheritance we implemented the form of inheritance with example vehicle, car and BMW car. Okay, so the same we are going to implement here. So what we can do, we can create another class, that is class BMW car. Okay, color of this car, it's gonna be, let's say, yellow. Implement one function get BMW car details, BMW self dot BMW color. Now, so in the BMW car, we have to inherit the car class. Okay, so this is a form of multi-level inheritance. Okay, so this gonna become later after the car class. Okay, So we will keep this as a last class. Okay, so here we can see it is resolved. Vehicle is being inherited in car, and car is being inherited in BMW car. So this form is called a multi-level inheritance. Let's see, instead of car now, if we say BMW car, so let me comment this out, C1 BMW car, those three methods will work same as earlier. Okay, because car is being inherited in BMW, and then vehicle is inherited in car. So one another more thing we have to call get BMW car details. Okay, this was the method which we just created into this class. Okay, now let's run the program. You see, so this car has BMW color yellow, a vehicle door 2, and other attributes of the class you could see as a output, right? So here we have achieved three form of classes. One, hierarchical, that was created in the previous video. Then we created multiple inheritance, then multi-level inheritance.
That brings us to the end of the today's video. We hope you found it informative and engaging. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting content on all things tech related. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.